Exercise 4.2. Evaluate the value of determinant without expanding. एक तरीका डिटरमिनेंट का वैल्यू निकालने का क्या था, एक्सपेंड करके आप किसी भी रो या किसी भी कॉलम से एक्सपेंड करके वो वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो। यहाँ पे कह रहा है विदाउट एक्सपेंडिंग, आपको 6 प्रॉपर्टी जो बताएगी वो प्रॉपर्टी यूज करो और विदाउट एक्सपेंडिंग प्रूव दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस डिटरमिनेंट इज 0। एंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 another determinant you have to prove this is also equal to 0. Okay. We know that according to property number 3, if any two row or any two columns of a determinant are identical, means all elements of any two rows or any two columns are same, then the value of determinant is 0. There are so many ways we can make the elements of row or column identical. This is column number 1 and this is column number 2, this is column number 3. If we apply C1 tends to C1 plus C2, C1 tends to C1 plus C2. So in C1 we will have X plus A, Y plus B, Z plus C. Okay, and that will be equal to column number 3. Its value will be 0. Another method, C3 tends to C3 minus C2. If we perform C3 minus C2, A, B, C will cancel out. In C3 you will get X, Y, Z. Again, if here you will get X, Y and Z. Here also X, Y and Z. C1 will become identical with C3. Its value will be 0. If you perform C3 tends to C3 minus C1, then X, Y, Z will cancel out. Here you will have A, B, C. Then again, there are so many ways in which we can make any two columns same. Okay? So, applying in left hand side, we are applying C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Okay? C3, in place of C3, you have to write C3 minus C1. So, you are applying property in column number 3. So, write other column as it is. C1, C2 as it is. In column number 3, subtract C1 from C3. X plus A minus X. A, B, C. Okay. Now, C2 and C3 are identical. Okay. Therefore, it is equal to 0 or equal to right hand side. Now, if we add all elements of, if we apply C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Actually, what we are doing, आप अभी पूछ रहे थे कि प्रॉपर्टी 6 हमें समझ नहीं आई। ये जो हम कर रहे हैं ये तो प्रॉपर्टी 6 है। प्रॉपर्टी 6 कहती है Ci tends to Ci plus k times of Cj. प्लस मीन्स प्लस की जगह वो माइनस भी हो सकता है, एनी टाइम्स ऑफ अनदर कॉलम। तो यहाँ पे k की जगह है -1। ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करने वाले हैं, इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड C1 tends to, आप सारे कॉलम्स को ऐड करा सकते हो, C1 plus C2 plus C3. We will have, if you add C1 plus C2 plus C3, minus B plus B will cancel out, A minus A will cancel out, minus C will cancel with C. You will have 0. Here 0. C1 में C1 plus C2 plus C3 करा और other two column will remain unchanged. Okay. If any row or any column of a determinant has all its elements 0, then its value will be 0. If you are expanding it, actually we have to prove it is 0 without expanding. If we expand it according to column number 1, along column number 1, 0 into anything plus 0 into anything plus 0 नहीं, 0 आएगा। अब कॉलम में से 0 आ रहा है तो कहीं और से करो तो भी 0 आएगा ना। मैंने बताया था एनी रो एनी कॉलम कहीं से भी एक्सपेंड करो, इट्स वैल्यू विल बी सेम, सिंस all elements of C1 are 0, therefore its value will be 0 or equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Any problem?